Amerika VPP ba Arden Embassy moj lawan ra ekara habede baklan transfer act da ka ba ajing but Halor ke jingdon kam ban khang gijat benri ke Nabar ka Meghalaya ban thit Jaka hapo ke jela haba jubab menteri rang ba ke jela konrat ke sangma lo pensyai bakam don kano ke jing pen khen kendon ya land transfer act henry ulakular ban Sngewkhia ya ke jing pen sngau lawan ra da ba pasaya moj usang ma lo benrap balada don kino ke jing pen khen kendon ud khot ula ban ya sakmat bat kaan lang ba kayong bishar.
Sir, I beg to move this resolution, sir. Whereas land is God's given right to the indigenous people, and whereas our leaders in the past had enacted a legislation, namely the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1972 to prevent the alienation of land, and whereas rampant violation of the acts is taking place. Therefore, this House do now resolve to stop this gross violation of the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1972.
Motion moved. Now you may initiate discussion.
Thank you. That there's no question of any violation of the Act, but as I said, the suggestions made by the Honourable Member concerns have definitely been noted. We are also obviously all concerned about issues when it comes to the rights of the tribals of our